Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number RM1210-10-630. This is it's probably going to be a cabinet door pull, or maybe a pull for a heavy-duty piece of casework or cabinetry. It's a bit larger than your standard pull. However, if you've got cabinets that are several feet tall, or if you have doors that are going to take a substantial amount of use or abuse, you'll need something heavier. Or in the case of something just simply larger, you need something to be proportionally accurate with what you're installing it onto. You might have 12-foot ceilings in a kitchen, and your cabinets aren't going to go to just 7 foot tall. You're going to need to have something proportionally larger is the point. So the RM, Rockwood Manufacturing, 1210. The 1210 tells us that this is going to be a straight style pull, straight, no offset, with square ends, very nice delicate chamfer around the perimeter. What they call a small post mount. The post mount is smaller than the diameter of the pull. And this one is a -10, which means it's a 10-inch center to center. Oh, okay. Generally, you're going to find the overall length to be just under 2 inch greater than the center to center. So this should be about 11 7/8. Now, in this case, it's 12 inch. It's generally in that range. Diameter of the pull itself, that's it's 5/8 is what it's listed as. The projection from the face of the cabinet looks like it's 1 7/16. To the underside, you're looking at about 7/8, 13/16. Diameter of the post mount, that is 7/16 of an inch. Okay, this is in the 630. That means stainless steel. 630. It means solid stainless, but it also means that it has a brushed finish on it. Being stainless steel, they can certainly do this in a polished solid stainless finish as well. This is going to be included with this will be a couple of 832 truss head style screws. They say that these are 1 inch long. They certainly look a bit longer than that. The fasteners in this package are closer to 1 3/8. It would be helpful to indicate your door thickness, and what has occurred here in this client's orders, they indicated they had a 1 inch thick door. Okay, so those fasteners are correct at being 1 3/8, or just longer than the thickness of the door. This client also specified a 12-inch overall length. In the absence of that information, it'll generally be about 1 7/8 I have found on this material. You can specify it, however. You can make it longer. You can make it a little shorter. If you wanted 10-inch centers, but you wanted 14-inch overall, that can be accommodated as well. Generally, you're not going to see a price change unless there's, unless there's a large differential between the center to center and the overall length. There is a link below this video to a document called Product Brochure, which is a handy way to be able to review the small mount pulls from Rockwood. There are a variety of them that are in this family, and if you are open to suggestion as to this type of pull, I would recommend that you review that product catalog, because you'll see not only the RM1210 with a 5/8 diameter pull, but you'll see the 1/2-inch diameter RM1200. You'll see the offset versions of those. You'll see them with a round top. You'll see them that have a grip zone or a slightly knurled two-tone sort of feature to the center area of it as well. And that's all listed there. The center-to-center sizes are also listed, but be mindful that those are just the sizes they publish in the catalog. Being Rockwood, they can really make any size that you need on any of this material. And they indicate straight and offset mount pulls are available in most architectural finishes, including stainless steel. So what they're saying there is that you can do this in brass bronze as well. You can do this in architectural finishes on base materials other than stainless steel, Oil rubbed bronze, you want that. You want powder coated black, they can do that as well. Your brasses, your bronze, your chromes, your nickels, satin polished. Rockwood has full capability of all of these sorts of the command over the plating and finishing process, that they can give you these poles in any color that you want. And of course, powder coat is where the black would come in. If you want these powder coated black, they will happily do that. And they're exceptional at it as well. Then there's also a link to the mounting drawings that are here, and you're going to see that you can do these as a type 1 through bolt, which is the one that we have here. You can do a surface concealed sort of mount where you won't see the fastener go through the door, and then you can order these back to back as well. Should you have a piece of can't think of where you'd mount this realistically back to back, a small pole like this, but you may have some sort of cabinetry that you want to approach from both sides of the opening, I suppose. That could be a reason to have that. There's also then a printable cut sheet that is just something, a tear sheet out of the manufacturer's catalog, and they refer to other sizes available as well. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Rockwood RM1210 in a 10-inch size, or any size for that matter, stainless steel finish, or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.